everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. So, today what we are going to do? We have taken our book 1. As you can see, here is the book 1 and open page number 9. When you will open page number 9, you will see new kind of lines here. We have already studied standing lines and sleeping lines, right? In previous videos, I told you what are standing lines and what are sleeping lines. Standing lines that are in standing position and sleeping lines that are in sleeping position. So, today we are going to study forward standing lines. Okay, what we are going to study? Forward slanting lines. What are forward slanting lines? Those lines which are slanting lines are those which are bending. These lines are bent, okay, and it is bent forward. These lines are bent forward. Like I'll show you something. This line is bent backward, right? And this line is bent forward, backward, forward, backward. So, what we can call this line? It is not a standing line. No, it is not a sleeping line, right? And then which line is this? This is a line which is bent forward, right? So, we can call this line forward slanting line. Forward slanting line. Okay. So, today we are studying forward slanting line. The line which bends forward. Okay. Let's come and do this small exercise. Tick the forward slanting lines. The line which is bent forward. Okay. We have to tick that line. Is it a forward slanting line? Is it bending forward? Yes. So, we will tick it. You can give 3 dots and the child will join it. Which line is this? Is it a forward slanting line? No. So, we will not tick it. Is it a forward slanting line? No. Is it bending forward? No. This is straight. So, this standing line. We will not tick this. Is it a forward slanting line? No, this is sleeping line. So, we will not tick it. Is this a slanting line? Forward slanting line? Yes, it is bent forward. So, we will tick this. Is it a forward slanting line? Yes, it is also bending forward. So, we will also tick this. This is the exercise which you have to do. Okay, don't forget to mention the date, name and classwork here. Okay, fine. So this is what we have to do today. Complete this work and submit it on Google Classroom, and please submit in PDF form only. Thank you. Hello everyone. So today we are having a book 1. As you can see, this is book 1. You have to open page number 11. Okay, open page number 11, 11, and what we have to do in this page, there is an exercise which we have to do. Only this one, not this one. Okay, this exercise we will do today. So let's see what we have to do. We have to just trace the forward slanting lines. We studied forward slanting line here in the previous video, and now we will trace it. Forward slanting lines are those lines which are bending forward. Alright, don't forget to mention the date, name, classwork. Now let's start tracing with me. You have to join the dots properly. Okay, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Forward slanting line. Which line is this? Forward slanting line. Join the dots properly and trace completely. dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, forward slanting line, 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 forward slanting line. Okay, you have to trace it in this way. All right, after tracing, just submit this work on Classroom. Please don't do this one, you only have to do the upper one. Okay, now let's meet in another session. Till then, revise all your done syllabus and take care of yourself. Thank you.